Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how to join a group in Roblox application using your iOS device. First of all, open the Roblox application and make sure that you are logged into your account as well. After you are logged in, tap the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, scroll down and tap Groups. Once you open up the Groups tab, in the search box appearing at the top, type in the name of the group that you are looking for. From the search results, look for the group that you'd like to join into and tap on it. Now, this will open up the group's info page. Tap on the Join Group button and you will be able to join the group successfully. Some groups may have specific requirements or restrictions for joining in, such as minimum age or account level. If the group is private, you may need to wait for an administrator to approve your request. So that is how you will be able to join to a group on Roblox app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.